Replacement Windows Eagle Idaho is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of window experts in Eagle ID specializes in providing top-notch window installation Eagle Idaho services, ensuring that every window is fitted perfectly to withstand the local climate. Energy-efficient Windows Eagle are a popular choice among residents seeking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Our energy-efficient Windows Eagle ID options include a variety of styles and materials to suit any home design. Vinyl Windows Eagle ID are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Eagle, Idaho. Known for their low maintenance and excellent insulation properties, vinyl windows are a favorite among those looking for long-lasting window solutions. Eagle, Idaho. Our vinyl Windows Eagle ID come in various colors and finishes to match any aesthetic. Double-hung Windows Eagle Idaho offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential Windows Eagle ID. Our double-hung Windows Eagle Idaho are available in a range of materials and finishes to complement any home style. Replacement Windows Eagle Idaho is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Window Repair Eagle Idaho services include window frame repair Eagle Idaho, window glass replacement Eagle, and more. We ensure that your windows are restored to their original condition, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Custom Windows Eagle ID allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. Our custom Windows Eagle ID services offer a wide range of design options, from unique shapes to specialized glass types. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a subtle enhancement, our custom Windows Eagle ID can be tailored to your needs. Window Replacement Eagle Idaho is a smart investment for those looking to upgrade their home's appearance and energy efficiency. Our Window Replacement Eagle Idaho services include a comprehensive window assessment Eagle ID to determine the best options for your home. We offer a variety of replacement Windows Eagle Idaho to suit any budget and style. Replacement Windows Eagle ID are essential for ensuring that your window installation and repair projects are completed to the highest standards. Our team of window contractors, Eagle ID, is experienced and knowledgeable, providing expert advice and quality workmanship for all your window needs. Home window services, Eagle Idaho, encompass a wide range of offerings, from window consultation Eagle ID to window maintenance. Eagle Idaho. Our home window services Eagle Idaho are designed to keep your windows in top condition, ensuring they perform well and look great for years to come. Window Glass Replacement Eagle is a critical service for those dealing with broken or damaged windows. Our Window Glass Replacement Eagle services ensure that your windows are safe, secure, and visually appealing. We offer a variety of glass types and styles to match your existing windows or create a new look.